Welcome to the Tradesman app. Here's a quick tutorial for recruiters on how to register, set up a profile, and post jobs on the app. Download the Tradesman app from the Play Store or App Store. Simply search for the Tradesman app, and it should be at the top of the page. Once downloaded, open the app. The first screen you see will prompt you to either create an account or log in if you already have one. If you're a new user, click Create an account, fill in your details, and choose Recruiter from the drop-down list. After submitting, you'll receive a verification email. Check your inbox or spam or junk folder for it. Click on Profile to start setting it up before posting jobs. Select Recruiter under the Account Information section. You'll need to fill in your company name, company description, and contact number. Note: no personal information is visible to candidates. Once your profile is ready, click on the Recruiter section to start posting jobs. Click on Create Job, and the job posting page will appear. Here's what you'll need to do. Enter the relevant job title, such as labourer, ground worker, or ADT operator. In the job description, include details like job requirements, working hours, working days, benefits, break times, PAYE or CIS, and any additional information that applicants might need. Note: candidates cannot see the contact number added in your profile. If you want them to call you directly, please include your contact number in the job description. You can choose whether the job is fixed or ongoing, and if you're unsure, you can select Unknown. Additionally, you can specify the start and end dates if they are available. Click on Add Location, enter the postcode, include the location name in the reference section, and add the country name. You can select the relevant trade from the drop-down list, such as labourer, ground worker, etc. If your trade isn't listed, you can choose Other. However, we recommend selecting a specific trade to get more accurate results, as we have included all common trades. The more specific you are, the better the matches. You can select qualifications from the drop-down list, such as CSCS, green, blue, or black. If you prefer not to specify the exact CSCS type, you can choose all CSCS qualifications to maximize your match results. Alternatively, you can skip the qualification section entirely to avoid limiting the number of potential matches. Enter the rate, hourly, daily, or annually, and indicate whether it's negotiable. After clicking Save, you'll see instant matches for your job post. If necessary, you'll be prompted to update your subscription before proceeding. From the drop-down list, you can select Matches to view relevant candidates. View your matches and choose to either call them directly or request applications. Note: not all matches may be expecting your call but could be open to new work. You can also view applicants, those who applied for your job, and confirmed candidates that you have selected. You can also manage your job postings by categorizing them as active, paused, or completed. If you prefer to post jobs through the website instead of the app, the process remains the same. You can find the link to our website in the video description. Click on the Job Portal section to access the sign-in or sign-up page. From there, you can follow the same steps to set up your profile, add your subscription, and create a job in the Recruiter section. If you need more information or assistance, please visit our website, where you'll find our contact details for further queries.